Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, today we will see how to model pedestal, footing and wind bracing or road bracing in Advanced Steel 2020. So first we can go for pedestal. For that one I will turn off all the member. I will do it in grid. Shift and select. From here we can go to quick view, then selected object of this is the lines of portal frame showing here. Now we will model our RCC pedestal. From object go to here, concrete column, then select the grid. Here we can change our section, click on this, then R means rectangular. If it is square you can write here S. I need rectangular and go for 40 by 60 as our base plate size 30 by 50, so 100 millimeter I will take extra for pedestal. And concrete grade you can change here 35, position middle, and we can rotate this one 90 degree because it will rotate like this in section. Okay, now click on close. Now this one upward we will take it downward. By default it is 3000 millimeter. If we want to go down, for example from this point to downward 700 millimeter, so we will make it 3700, enter. If we want to see this in solid view it will look like this, and here we can take our isolated footing, click here, length we will take for corner 1000 by 1000, height 400, okay. Now this one we will move downward 700 like this. This one we can copy from here to here, this corner and this corner. Here we will use larger section, larger footing size, for example 1400 and 500. This one we will copy like this. From here we can copy multiple copy, 1 2 3 4 5 6, number 6, and distance we will take from here to here, okay, like this. This one copy, or if we want to change our footing size or this side, we can change, for example 1200 1200 450. Okay, now copy this one, like this. These three we can copy from here to here, like this. You can see this orientation, show all object. Here anchor bolt presentation type changed, but here we have edited our pedestal section, but it was not done. What we will do, we will select similar, then right click, advanced properties. From here this 40, this 60, then press enter. Okay, now we can see the size changed, and it is matching with base plate size, and offset is both side 50 mm, total 100 mm. Now we can this and this copy from here to here. Here we can change our size, for example this 1500. Okay, now this one control, no need control, this to select. Now copy. Here we can change our intersection, tangent, nearest. Okay, now from here to here, done. This one. Now we can multiple copy this one, then distance from here to here, click on OK. So pedestal and footing done. Now we will go for wind bracing or rod bracing. Now we can filter this section box, this one, then go to quick view. Here selected object off, and here we can see this anchor bolt presentation type changed. We can change it easily. Go to filter, then here anchor bolt select, then coming in quick view, change presentation type like this, so it will view as solid. Okay, and for bolt select this quick view, change presentation type like this, so all will be now solid view. You can see in conceptual view. Now we can see in solid view. Okay, so if any time you see the bolt or anchor bolt are not showing in model, then you can do these steps to view as solid. Now we will go for wind bracing. For modeling bracing, we need to be careful about the UCS. This is default UCS. Z axis upward direction, this direction X, and this direction Y. Now here bracing always modeled in XY plane, so y axis we will keep it upward direction and x axis this direction. So now I will go to this one. I can change it like this, y upward, this side x I can take this direction like this. So now y upward, x this direction. So now I can change my view conceptual. Here we can change our snap option. Only we will keep end point, so that when I will put my cursor on object it will select the end point. Now go to connection vault. Here we can go to this rod bracing joint. Here different types of rod bracing or wind bracing. We will choose this one, wind bracing with bracket. Click on this. Now this object, right click, then this object, right click. Now starting node of first diagonal, that means bracing, I'll select this one. It is automatically snapping the end point, so click on this, then end point of this bracing, this one, then starting of second bracing, this, and this end. Okay, here we can change our dimension. This rod 25 we will use, slot diameter 27. Go to system. Here we will take offset 0.1 200 millimeter, 0.2 will take 3200, so that it can come below this beam. Okay, 3200 this up, and here also 3200 offset. Now we will go for bracket pad. Bracket thickness 10 milli, bracket diameter, this one you can change it to 100 millimeter. Distance between bracket, this 35, or we can make it 40 because 5 milli we have increased for rod dia. Weld thickness you can change from here. Pad thickness 10 milli, pad length 60 by 60, hole diameter 27. 40 diagonal. Here slot, this one 5 number additional length, we can make it 150, so it will be shown like this. Like this. Okay, we can copy this one. Go to here, we can select joint copy, this one, then select this joint, this, right click, select object, from here right click, here right click. Now we start ascending diagonal, this one to this one, then from this one to this one. In this way we can copy bracing to other span. We can go for roof bracing same way. For this we will go for UCS. We will UCS add object, select this one, then select this, right click. Now this is Z direction. We can rotate this side Y and this side X. First we will put it down because we need to take it in middle. Here you can see this 356, so we will take it half of 356, 178. So move this downward 178, enter. So now it is in middle. Now I will select this one, select object, this, right click, this, right click. Now starting from here, select to there, then this one to that one, diagonal 25, 27, additional length 150, system. Here starting I'll go for 150. We will see here where it is going. This 150, I think this is okay. This side also, this side will take 150 like this, and here we will provide two bracing, so we will take half, so 5000. This one also 5000, as the span is 10,000 something. You can take 5100, 5100. Okay. Bracket pad is okay. 40. Bracket diameter 100. Thickness pad length 60, and here 27. So this is done. Select this object, right click, this, right click. Now select this one to this one, and this one to that one. Okay. Diagonal, if I choose this option, then I have to start again with the changes. If I copy correction, then we don't need to change these parameters. 150. System, here we will go for start in this time. We will start 5100 like this, 150, 1100, 150. So you can see this is okay. this offset, this done, bracket pad 100, 40, here 60, 60 and 27. Done. Now these two we can copy from here. This, select this one, right click, select object, this, right click, this, right click, from here to here, from here to here. So this is done. Now select this one, right click, this, right click, this, right click, then from here to here and from here to here, like this. In this way we can copy bracing for our desired locations. So we have finished our bracing modeling. So this is our model with wind bracing or rod bracing. You can change view, hidden, realistic, shaded, so in this way we can model concrete pedestal, concrete footing, and then rod bracing or wind bracing in Advanced Steel 2020, and earlier version also this is applicable. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.